we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it's all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we are in right now, everybody needs to know how the world really works. Also, much love to those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. As we know, we have open interest. We are booming right now. Those who have been with me from the beginning, we know how this goes. It's every single month. But like I stated, this will be the last month. We're starting to see yields rise a little. We know what the Fed wants to do. They want to pull this rug in order to build the 4th industrial revolution. But we know right now when it comes to cryptos, they all go up at the same time, all go down at the same time. It's all manipulation. We are in the biggest manipulated market in history, the greatest transfer of wealth, and hopefully you're taking advantage of it. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. Now, guys, do not forget about the indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. Plus, guys, we know the Fed is still manipulating yields, but we know they are allowing them to rise. Plus Grayscale. Grayscale is buying like clockwork. We know during the open interest period, and then we know they start to dump. Now we have futures premium on CME surges as ETF speculation grips markets. And guys, we know when it comes to a futures Bitcoin product, we know they're betting on the price. So they don't care whether it goes up or down. Now getting over to a little crypto news. We have Andreessen, my guy, invest in Axie Infinity. While Axie Infinity secures $152 million in Series B funding from investors. And guys, we already know how big gaming is going to be and gamification in this virtual world. Also, we had Andreessen, my guy, and Coinbase invest in CoinSwitch Kuber. And guys, we know it's the same corporation, same banks running crypto behind the scene. Just go back, watch Big Tech, go back and watch my video of Andreessen on the father-in-law who actually built Silicon Valley. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now we have Elizabeth Warren introduces bill to study crypto role in ransomware. And we see them using Elizabeth Warren in this Hegelian dialectic. She is one of the leaders. Now we have America's 5th largest bank launches crypto custody service. And we know right now crypto custody for institutions are there. These big banks already know crypto is definitely the future. Now we have Gary Gensler confirms SEC won't ban crypto, but Congress could. And guys, is that true? We know Congress is not going to do anything. We know our Congress is paid and bought for by the Fed. Now we have the BIS outlines how stablecoins could comply with international money standards. And guys, we know how they're changing the language for stablecoins. We know they're going to be the dollar, euro, whatever currency the country has, that's what they're going to have an actual stablecoin. Now we have Chain Analysis acquires cybercrime forensics firm Axie. And guys, we know when it comes to the actual forensics, we know all this is going to be tied into the IRS. All these tools are going to be used by the alphabet boys. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now we have the Arab Bank has chosen Tezos to facilitate institutional custody service. And again, guys, this is for the big banks. Now we have U.S. lawmakers propose safe harbor for digital tokens and new bill. And basically give them up to 3 years to actually register instead of doing it immediately. Now we have AMC Theaters debuts crypto payments for e-gift card purchases. And guys, we know this is all about adoption, getting people used to using cryptocurrencies. Also, we have MetaMask pushes institutional offering with BitGo integration. Now we have billionaire Ken Griffin slams crypto, calls it a jihadist against the greenback. And guys, we know this is all about the Fed wanting control. They want control over this total system. Blockchain gives them that surveillance, and they will be able to tax every single dollar. Nobody will be able to get away with anything. And lastly, guys, we have real estate investment firm taps Bison Trails to explore the use case of provenance blockchain. And guys, I already went over it several times. All real estate is going to be tokenized and put on a blockchain. Remember what the economic forum state, you will own nothing, but you will be happy. Because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, got that home stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they was getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.